Today we are going to review BlackBerry Q5. BlackBerry is back again with another QWERTY smartphone powered with BlackBerry 10 OS. Other device that comes with the same OS is BlackBerry Z10 and Q10, among which Q10 comes with QWERTY while Z10 is a full touchscreen device. Being a high-end phone, they are also very costly. Both cost above Rs 40,000, which is obviously not affordable for everyone. Now for those who want to experience BlackBerry 10 OS at an affordable price range, can go with BlackBerry Q5 that comes for Rs 24,990. It is a touchscreen phone supported by QWERTY keypad. Running on the same OS, it comes with 3.1-inch HD capacitive touchscreen with IPS display. The maximum resolution that you will get on this screen is 720 by 720 pixel at 330 ppi pixel density. The phone is powered by 1.2 GHz dual-core Snapdragon 4 processor and 2 GB of RAM. The internal storage is 8 GB. It also has a dual camera among which 5 megapixel camera lies on the back side with autofocus and LED that offers a full HD 1080 pixel resolution, while on the front side there is a 2 megapixel camera which is decent for making video calls. It has a full 35 key QWERTY physical keyboard. For connectivity, it offers 3G, HSPA, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0 and GPS, while the internal battery is 2180 mAh. In terms of look, Q5 has a similar look like Q10, but the build quality here is low. Both Z10 and Q10 are packed with premium quality plastic material, due to which they appear rich in looks. The weight of this device is around 120 grams, which makes it lighter. Apart from build material, it is also low on specification, which makes it affordable. BlackBerry Q5 offers better grip. It is not at all slippery even after having a glossy plastic finish on the rear panel. At the front, you can see there is a 3.1-inch screen which is an HD IPS display with QWERTY keypad. There are two capacitive keys available on the screen, among which the first is dial key and the second is camera key. While on the top side there is a 2 megapixel camera with LED indicator. On the right side lies a volume rocker key which is a play or pause button, and it is also helpful while taking photos. While on the left, you can see there are two slots, among which one is micro SD card slot and the other one is micro SIM slot and a micro USB port. Loudspeaker and mic are placed at the bottom side. On the top side lies a power key and a 3.0mm headphone jack. At the back lies a 5 megapixel camera with LED flash. There is an NFC antenna in the middle. Unlike Z10, BlackBerry Q5 comes with unibody. That means the back panel is not removable, due to which the SIM card slot and micro card slot is provided on the left side. The front 3.1-inch IPS display offers you great output for watching videos, for web surfing and for reading emails. You can enjoy your movies with complete fun, read office document, or simply read website text clearly. IPS panel offers good viewing angle also. This is an HD video which you can see it offers a really great quality. In the same way, photo display is also nice. So in this way you can see the display of BlackBerry Q5 is simply impressive in terms of video, images and text quality. Another cool feature is that you don't need to hit the power or lock key to unlock the display. You just have to slide it up. You can see the screen is unlocked. The lock screen also provides you information on time and different notification. BlackBerry Q5 comes with the latest release of BlackBerry OS, which is 10.1. With the updated operating system, you also get new features like pin-to-pin messaging, HDR, click-to-call, editable notification, etc. BlackBerry 10 OS offer more better performance compared to the older version. It looks that in all three models, which is BlackBerry Z10, BlackBerry Q10 and Q5, everyone is having similar features and performance. 1.2 GHz Snapdragon 4 chipset processor and 2 GB of RAM is enough to carry out different multitasking application. There is no lagging, no freezing issue here. You can see it is working really fine with multiple applications. New BlackBerry 10 OS brings many new things in this device like BB Hub, BB Balance, camera, time shift mode, etc. And this BB keyboard. The full size 35 QWERTY keyboard is just like the same that we saw in Q10 with minor changes are done here in the keyboard of Q5. The keys are a bit curved and has spaces in between. Personally, I found the keys a bit hard, small and flat, which may result in uncomfortable while typing. Q5 has a smart keyboard which is also comfortable to use with one hand, and it offers you word suggestion that makes your job much more easy while typing a text message or an email. You can see the word suggestion below. The only drawback here is that you must keep suggestive words on so that typing can be easier for you. All settings associated with the keyboard is available in settings panel. Under language and input, you can see here the text input section where you can simply enable prediction and correction, which makes your typing more comfortable. BlackBerry devices does not offer more in customization like Symbian Android and Windows Phone. After unlocking, the first screen that you can see is the app drawer, where you can see a set of 4 applications which are running in the background. You can switch from one application to another just by tapping on it. To access other application, you have to swipe towards the left side. You can see these are the all installed application. While the notification panel is available on the top side, it offers you to access settings, Wi-Fi, notification, alarm and Bluetooth. The last thing to check is BlackBerry Hub, which is a centralized message center for this device. This BlackBerry Hub keeps you all emails and notification at one place. BlackBerry Q5 has a very comfortable and fast responsive screen. In terms of performance, with 1.2 GHz dual-core Snapdragon processor, 2 GB of RAM, BlackBerry Q5 offers a very smooth output. You can use it with multiple applications at a single time, and there is no lagging and freezing issue. Also, the user interface is very easy to use. BlackBerry 10 OS brings very useful feature in this device like BlackBerry Balance, BBM, emails and productivity, Office Suite, etc. For web browser, Q5 has the same WebKit browser which Z10 and Q10 has. It comes with full Flash support. To use Flash, you have to turn it on from the settings panel. The browser is a bit improved here with due to new OS update. It offers you a tile view also, where you can simply check out the recently opened pages. You can see this is the bookmark section, and there is a history section also available. Another useful thing available in the browser is Reader, where you can simply read the text version of a web page. So this is a bit bandwidth saver. If you want to only read an article or any text, you can just switch to reader mode. Q5 offers a desktop type web browsing experience. Text are clear and sharp. You can read them comfortably. Being small screen, you will have to constantly zoom in and zoom out for reading bigger page. Q5 also comes with several regular inbuilt applications like BlackBerry Maps, Calendar, Music, Video, Contact, calculator, weather, Facebook, social networking application, Adobe Reader, etc. You can also use the device with BlackBerry Link. BlackBerry Link is a handy tool which is a PC based application through which you can simply view all the photos and videos of this device on your desktop. You can control that also. It syncs the device with the PC without connecting a USB. It works on Wi-Fi. It is quite fast compared to syncing the phone with the PC directly. To use it, you will have to use your BlackBerry ID. The internal storage of this device is 8 GB, and you can expand that up to 32 GB using a micro SD card. You can also use Dropbox to extend your storage. For connectivity, BlackBerry Q5 offers all kind of major connectivity options like 2G, 3G support, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, micro USB port and NFC. For videos, the screen of BlackBerry Q5 is smaller. The 3.1 inch screen is not really bad, but it fell short in terms of watching videos. You can simply try to zoom in the video if you want a better resolution. Video performance is great here. The default media player inside this is capable of playing wide range of audio and video format. There is no need of any third-party video player. Through Q5, you can also share the media with your friends which have the same kind of device or which have a DLNA support. You have to tap on play on for that. Integrated music player is also similar to the integrated music player is also same. It offers you a set of simple features to play various audio file format.
Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I could never explain.
The music library allows you to sort music with artist, album, engineer. You can also create different playlists and play that on different compatible devices. Sound quality of BlackBerry Q5 is quite great. You can enjoy songs or movies in this without wearing headphones.
Here when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face.
BlackBerry Q5 comes with a 5 megapixel rear camera with LED flash. It also has autofocus and it is capable of recording full 1080 pixel videos. You can see this is the image quality. Now there is an internal image editor also available that allow you to add different effects on the photo. While the front 2 megapixel camera offers you a 720 pixel of video recording, which is enough for video calling. That simply means you can make high quality video calls on Skype. The camera of Q5 offers minimum settings to capture images. It has a time shift mode available in which you can capture a set of different photos and choose the best one among them. These are the scene mode. BlackBerry Q5 is powered by a 2180 mAh battery, which is higher compared to BlackBerry Z10, which only has 1800 mAh battery. The battery performance here is good. For standard usage, the phone can work up to 2 days, while if you're using internet, chat, messenger, social networking application, 3G, etc., you can expect over 15 hours of battery life. BlackBerry Q5 is a high-performance phone which is faster, smarter, and offers great features. Support makes it easy for chatting, web surfing, email, etc. The cost of this device is $24,990. This is the only budget smartphone available. This is the only budget smartphone which has so many features. 2GB RAM, 5 megapixel camera, and powerful battery performance. The phone will not disappoint you. Compared to BlackBerry Q10, Q5 is affordable and has similar features. It is capable of running all applications that you can run on Q10. But as we all know that app world of this device is not as good as Google Play in terms of application and game. At the same price range, there are ample of Android phone also available that offer more features, more app support, and ample of customization feature. For multimedia purpose, the front 3.1 inch display is not bad at all. Q5 is good for those who are BlackBerry fans and also for those who require phone only for professional use. It offers good hardware quality, it has a best quality keypad, and it is comfortable for various day-to-day tasks. The positive point of this device is it has an excellent physical keyboard, it is good in performance, it has a great battery backup. While negative aspect of this device is it is a bit overpriced, it lacks good third-party application. The screen 1:1 aspect ratio is a bit awkward and there is no FM available in
That's all
this.
for now. For more review, tutorial, news and updates on latest technology, visit techirena.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.